Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. It is Saturday, December 18th. Got 7 days left till Christmas. Hope all you boys and girls out there are getting excited and you've been good all year so you get what you want. For those of you on the channel that like to comment on Easter eggs in the background, the kids decided to bring me home something from work to add to the background. So I'm sure you'll find it pretty easily. Don't know how long it will sit back there. Today's video, we're going to take a look at Q648 from November 28th. We caught this one with both the GoPro on the ground as well as some drone footage. So we'll play both cuts of this. Q648 is a manifest train that goes daily from Waycross, Georgia, the rice yard down there, up to Chicago's clearing yard. It's going to be led up on this day by CSX 3403 and 972. Both those are in the YN3B, the Boxcar paint scheme. And then it's got two mid-train DPUs, both Union Pacific. Got a 7651 and a 2652. So hope you guys enjoy that. It's always kind of cool seeing a train with the drone footage. Unfortunately, this one didn't have a lot of gondola cars. I always like the gondolas with drone footage so you can kind of see what different things are down in those. But there are a few of them throughout the train, as well as some extra rusty boxcar tops you'll see. Much rustier on the top than they are on the sides. So that's always interesting to look at as well. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up down below. Also, make sure that if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, check out the subscription button on YouTube down below, as well as at the end of the video. And check out the membership options. There's a join feature now on the channel. There's a little bit more information at the link down in the description. Again, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.